Dental implants are a popular solution for restoring your smile and oral function. Endosteal implants are the most common type, placed directly into the jawbone and ideal for most patients. Subperiosteal implants, placed under the gum but above the jawbone, are an option for those with insufficient bone height. Zygomatic implants, anchored in the cheekbone, offer a solution for patients with severe bone loss in the upper jaw. Each type of implant provides a stable foundation for artificial teeth, improving your ability to eat, speak, and smile with confidence. Choosing the right implant depends on your specific needs and bone structure. Always consult with your oral and maxillofacial surgeon to determine the best implant option for your unique needs. To learn more, visit myoms.org.